Hey everyone, let's dive into some eye opening truths about life, success, and the weird way society works. Oh, and we are giving a little spotlight to lazy people today. Because guess what? They might just be the real geniuses. Stay tuned till the end to see why growth matters more than right or wrong. First, lazy people and their hidden potential. We all know that one lazy friend who somehow manages to get everything done with minimal effort, right? And you might wonder, how do they pull that off? The thing is, lazy people are masters at finding the easiest way to complete tasks. They will innovate and simplify because hard work just doesn't vibe with them. That's why people say lazy folks have incredible potential. They think smarter, not harder, but here's the catch. This creativity doesn't always translate into thriving careers. When laziness seeps into decision making for big life choices, it can hold them back. Second, society's unforgiving patterns. Let's be real, society works in a strict pattern. Either you choose what you want to do in life, or society decides for you. And trust me, you are going to have to work either way. You could choose to become a doctor, engineer, or business person. Career society respects, but if you don't make a choice, society might push you into the roles like cleaning, gardening, or other jobs that people don't often aspire to. And then there's the third category. Those who refuse to do either, they decide to do nothing. These people often get ignored or disrespected by society altogether. Third, the harsh truth about success. But here's the weirdest part. Imagine person A becomes a successful entrepreneur. Even if they have terrible habits or make morally questionable choices, society will still celebrate them as iconic. Like the characters in show like Peaky Blinders. On the flip side, person B might have the kindest heart and the best personality, but if they are not successful, society will often dismiss them as a failure. It's not fair, but it's the reality. Third, it's about growth, not right or wrong. And this brings us to one of the life's biggest lessons. It's not always about what's right or wrong. The real question is, are you growing? If you are in a group of friends or a situation that is not helping you grow, it's okay to step back. It doesn't mean those people are wrong. But if they are not contributing to your growth, it's better to move on. Focus your energy on what helps you evolve. So, whether you're a lazy genius or figuring out how to break society's pattern, remember, it's all about choosing your growth. Life isn't black or white. It's about finding your path. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into challenges we face as Gen Z.